प्रिपरेशन सलीम भैया, कैसा चल रहा है आपका प्रिपरेशन? बताओ ना बेटा। One minute guys, let me open this. Yes. Yes, just a minute, we'll start. हाँ, how are you all? कैसे बच्चे लोग, कैसा चल रहा है प्रिपरेशन? गुड इवनिंग, गुड इवनिंग, गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन. गुड इवनिंग, गुड इवनिंग. How are you all? Is everything good? Is everything good? Kalyan Garu, good evening. Good evening. So, anything more you want regarding your SSC JE State EE exams? Gate के लिए we are providing whatever required. What is more you need for SSC JE State EE? Please let me know. Good evening, Prashant Kumar. How are you? What happened? Day by day, student strength reducing. 9:30 time is not suitable, kya? So someday, Salim Garu, someday I will block you. आपको कुछ नहीं मिल जाएगा. GA, GS, yes, that is only discussions going on. Deepa, GA mostly we are planning first reasoning because that is 50 marks, na? We are planning, so you will get it, don't worry. Good evening, Jaymith. How are you? Good evening, Murmu, Loser, ARK. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Chalo. So, these are the top rankers in 2022 SSC JE State AE and who cracked the jobs. Next year, Salim Garu ka picture. Next year you can come here. Deepa will come, Sunita will come, everyone will hear. And your pictures must be shown. Chalo. So now, people are asking SSC JE State AE English courses, especially by KP Sir, RP Sir. These are the English courses, especially exclusive courses. Pramod, good evening. Exclusive courses by KP Sir and RP Sir. So now offer is going on, 20% off. Use our universal code and you can get 14 months for 8578. 28 months for 12,000. So offer is going on. Use the universal code KP Civil. And I am launching new subject environmental engineering 15th August onwards. Deepa Garu. So 15th August onwards you have 2 sessions. Already surveying going on now. So we are launching environmental also. And month end one more subject we will start. Ending of month one more subject we will start. So these are good evening guys. Chalo. Any problem? Is everything clear? Is everything clear guys? Video, audio, is everything clear? 1 minute, some problem I think here. In YT there is some problem. 1 minute. Yes, coming everything done. So many channels, na 3 channels at a time live. So managing this is a difficult task. Chalo. So these are the subjects. We'll start environmental 15th. After that either hydrology, irrigation, then RCC, then geotech. All subjects will become. Chalo. Hello nature lover, how are you? Good evening. JE Mahakal. शिंदे गारो आ गया. Ready guys? Ready शुरू करेगा? We'll start. Good evening, good evening, good evening, Shinde uncle. With much syllabus will cover before, which much syllabus will cover before exam? We are expecting to finish BMC through objectives, Anjali. Environmental full. Along with that, FMR Geotech, one full subject. Small subject, two small subjects, hydrology or irrigation, OCFR hydrology, two small subjects from my side. Then RP sir surveying. Amit Jerola sir is going to start RCC, that is also to be finished. Then RP sir will start transportation or reasoning. Both will be completed. This is the syllabus to be completed before exam. So means environmental, transportation, surveying, environmental, transportation, surveying, RCC, hydrology or irrigation, one subject, OCF, full to full reasoning, whatever possible, general studies. So 8 subjects from technical, we are planning to finish along with these PYQ sessions. Before prelims I am talking. Before prelims, okay? Chalo. The strength of timber is maximum when load applied is. Strength of timber is maximum when load applied is. Timber का strength maximum when it is. बताओ, what is the answer? Anyone having doubt? Yes. Good evening, Deepak. Strength of timber is maximum. Maximum when load is applied parallel to the grain. Load is applied parallel to the grain. Because the timber is, yes, why this is answer? Timber is stronger in tension. Timber is stronger in tension along the grain. Along the grain. Tension, stronger in tension along the grain. That is the reason strength of timber is maximum when load applied is parallel to the grain. When load applied is parallel to the grain. 2 to 4 times of compression, correct. Hello Srikanth. Chalo next. Kalyan Garu, Tanvir Bhatt. What happened Tanvir? Galat kar diya previous question. Dimensional changes in wood result due to variation in the moisture content of wood with atmospheric condition. So dimensional changes wood with change in moisture content of wood with atmospheric condition. So this is a true only na. Atmosphere में moisture, atmosphere से it takes atmospheric air, water content, moisture content absorbs and its moisture content बढ़ जाएगा, increase हो जाएगा ना. Wood or timber absorbs water from air, atmospheric air. Atmospheric air से पानी ले लेगा air. Maximum how much percentage it can take? मालूम था? Atmospheric air से 15% of water it is going to absorb. So absorb around 15% of air, water from air. Then it will swell up. So please, timber absorbs around 15% of water from air. 15% of water from air. Then क्या हो जाएगा? Swell up ना? Swell up. Volume changes. Volume changes means dimensional changes only na? Volume changes means dimensional changes only na? So true. This is a true. Volume changes, dimensional changes, true. The cell walls are wood, are highly hygroscopic, and when exposed to moisture, absorb large amounts of water and swell. Yes, this is only the reason why swelling happening. This is true, and that is the reason. Please understand, guys. Reason is this is plant cell wall. Okay, plant cell walls are hygroscopic. This is a cell wall. Cell wall. It is hygroscopic. It absorbs water. If it take inside, highly hygroscopic, capable of taking water. So it absorbs. If it absorbs, only swelling happen. If it is not taking, please understand one point I would like to tell here. This is plant cell. Please understand, this is plant cell. And this is also adjacent cell. Plant is multicellular. Plant is a multicellular organism. So the cells exist like this. Cells exist like this. ये बात बताओ पहले. Water is taken and present within the space. Will volume increase हो जाएगा? Will volume increase हो जाएगा? No. Space में पानी होगा, increase नहीं हो जाएगा. It should come inside. Go inside ना, cell wall can allow inside. Please understand this. Cell wall can allow the water to go inside. पानी अंदर चलना पड़ेगा बेटा. पानी अंदर चलना पड़ेगा. So that only absorption, volume increase. If water is in the voids, cell gap हो जाएगा ना. cell का बीच में गैप मिलेगा ना. ये बीच में गैप में पानी होगा तो absorption में नहीं हो जाएगा, swelling नहीं हो जाएगा. Whenever cell taken inside, swelling हो जाएगा. Understand? Water taken inside the cell, water absorbed inside the cell, not in between two cells. Please understand, this is in between two cells. Cell space, cellular space बोलेगा, cellular space बोलेगा. ये cellular space में नहीं, cell का अंदर जाना पड़ेगा. It can go inside the cell. Cell का अंदर जाना पड़ेगा. Please understand. Then only, yes, both are true. Answer is, reason is correct explanation. Reason is correct explanation. Both are true. Reason is correct explanation. Option A दिएगा. चलो. Understand, कल्याण. Nature lover. चलो. Good, Lalit Kumar Rai and Sai Teja, nice. Next question. The nail diameter should not be more than T is least thickness of wooden member connected. The nail diameter should not be more than. No, we don't want to waste the time. We need to finish 30 questions in 1 hour. Prasanjit. पोल करने का टाइम अननेसेसरी वेस्ट मन करेगा नहीं करेगा ना. So nail diameter should not be more than. Sunita garu cheppandi. T is least thickness of the wooden member to be connected. Least thickness of wooden member to be connected. So 3D. So this is a wooden member. Okay, this is a wooden member. You want to put the nail. You want to put nail inside it. Okay, you want to put some nail inside it. So you bore the hole na. Directly are you putting the nail into it? Directly हम nail नहीं डालेंगे. First we are going to make the hole, bore the hole. Yes or no? So that borehole diameter, first we need to know about what is borehole diameter. Borehole diameter not greater than 4/5 of dia of nail. समझ आ रहा है सलीम भैया? सलीम भैया, this is wooden material. You want to hit nail, directly hit नहीं करेगा, पहले होल बनना पड़ेगा, पहले होल बनना पड़ेगा. ये borehole diameter क्या है? Not greater than 4/5 times of diameter of nail. Now what is the diameter of nail? That is they are asking. Question is about what is the diameter of nail. Diameter of nail 1/4 to 1/6 of least thickness of wood. Thickness of wood, least thickness of wood चलेगा ना? Thickness of wood को. So for example, this is the wood, this is its thickness, this is the thickness ना. इनमें nail डालना पड़ेगा. You have to put nail here. This is the thickness. So you can't go more thickened. Diameter should be 1/4 to 1/6 of that thickness. That is to be taken. Hello Anayat, how are you? Wajahad Anayat, how are you? Chappandi. Understand? So nail diameter should not be more than. Length का बारे में on which wall you are putting, that will be different case again. Salman gar, we never worry about length. ये diameter का बारे में बात कर रहे हैं हम. Streaming हो रहे नहीं हो रहे? So anyone facing lag? Anyone facing lag? Please tell me guys. No lag na? No lag, no lag. अरे only YouTube students are saying lag. कोई लैग नहीं था, देखो एक बार प्लीज. Yes, T/6 only answer now. So what is maximum possible? Maximum possible T/6 only. T/6 only maximum possible. The expansion and shrinkage of plywoods are comparatively low as. Plywood expansion and shrinkage comparatively as low as. Please. So yesterday we discussed that this is pile placed here and again placed here and again placed here. Piles are placed one upon another. So that is at right angles to each other. At right angles to each other. That is purely depending upon piles which are placed at right angles to each other. It is completely depending upon it only. Piles which are placed right angles to each other, completely depending on it only. Seasoning of timber is required to. Seasoning of timber. अरे yesterday ये नहीं बोल दिया ना, अब क्या बना देंगे बताओ? Yesterday we said, no, Sangamitra, Madhuri, no. We don't have the option to strengthen. It is not strengthen. Please understand. It is not strengthen, it is a straighten. So that chashma laga do. Straighten. Are you going to straighten? Are you going to straighten the timber? No, wrong. Wrong. So strengthen the timber is perfect answer. Strengthen the timber is perfect answer. Actually yesterday we said na. कल बता दिया ना हम. Strengthen the timber is perfect answer. कल बता दिया ना हम. But nothing is here. Nothing is here. So what is possible? Most suitable. Now most suitable you can go for this. Because there is no strength in the timber. There is no strength in the timber. Most suitable you can go for this. Prashant, please understand, no hardening. Amit, it is not strengthen, it is straighten. Option C. Option C is straighten, not strengthen. Please understand, guys. So you need to have good look into what is given. What is given, ये थोड़ा ध्यान से देना पड़ेगा. वजद, understand this. थोड़ा ध्यान से देना पड़ेगा. It is to strengthen the timber. So target is moisture only, Salim Garu, but moisture is not there. The least possible option we are going for it, D. Match the following. Bolo. Please tell me, guys, what is the match the following here? Himanshu, you are very good at building. Srikanth, in 3 channels it is going on. Unacademy, Dakshin Engineering Junction, Unacademy Accord, Civil 101. 3 channels में चल रहा है श्रीकांत. What is the answer, guys? Chandan D, Guns B, Madhuri C. Here also C, Deepthi C, Salim Garu D. So deciduous पहले. Deciduous is a broad-leaved hardwood. Deciduous को क्या लिखेंगे? Deciduous का बारे में when you write deciduous broad-leaved hardwood. इतना बड़ा leaves हो जाएगा, मालूम था? Leaves are like this. Leaves are present like this, broad-leaved hardwood. So hardwood na deciduous को 2 दे दो. So that option D, option A eliminated. Option D, option A eliminated. Example क्या है? Deciduous का example क्या है? Example for deciduous: oak, maple. Please make a note of it. Oak and maple. Example for deciduous: oak and maple. Then conifer. Conifer कैसा लगेगा? Conifer needle shape ऐसा आएगा, needle shape आएगा, ऐसा आएगा, needle shaped softwood, needle shaped softwood, needle shaped softwood. Example: Christmas tree, pine, fir. Christmas tree na, Christmas tree, that is conifer only. Christmas tree is conifer only. Shinde Garu, softwood 1. So then endogenous, exogenous. Growing inward is growing inside. Growth is towards internally, inward. Outside say inside growth, internal growth. That is endogenous, bamboo. Exogenous, internal to external, eucalyptus. Understand? Endo. What is endo? Grows inward, out to in. Exo grows outward. ऐसा याद रखो ना. Endo inward, exo outward. Examples: endo को bamboo, exo को eucalyptus. So 2143. Understand? Again endogenous is soft, exogenous is hard. Endogenous is soft, exogenous is hard again. एग्जाम है सलीम गारो, एग्जाम इज देयर 12th, थोड़ा अच्छे से रिवाइज करो. मॉड्यूलस ऑफ elasticity of timber is about. Modulus of elasticity of timber is about. बताओ what is the answer? Very good Banu. Modulus of elasticity, nature lover. వజత్ సాయి తేజ చెప్పండి. So based on modulus of elasticity, there are three groups: Group A, Group B, Group C. Group A above 125 ton per centimeter square or above 12,500 Newton per mm square. Means this is the highest. This is the highest value. Group A above 125 ton per centimeter square or 12,500 Newton per mm square. Group B 98 to 125 or 9,800 to 12,500 Newton per mm square. What happened? Deepa, Group C above 56 to 98 or 5,600 to 9,800. So what is the lowest value and what is highest value? ये चीज बताओ, lowest क्या है? Lowest is 5,600 Newton per mm square. Highest is 12,500 Newton per mm square. This is only the highest and lowest. Lowest 5,600, highest 12,500. And how they have given? Into 10 power 4. Every data into 10 power 4. So into 10 power 4 कैसा आएगा? 0.56 into 10 power 4. 1.25 into 10 power 4. That is only na. So what is nearby? 0.5 and 1. We'll take this one. 0.5 to 1. Modulus of elasticity of timber 0.5 to 1 into 10 power 4 Newton per mm square. Clear to everyone? Chalo. ST Sinha, how are you? Notes you can download from Unacademy app. You can download this PDF notes from Unacademy app. ST Sinha, no problem. मिल जाएगा notes. Nice, Tanveer Bhatt. Keep going. चलो. During the conversion of timber by sawing, in order to obtain strong timber, the cuts should be made by strong timber. Tanveer, strong timber होने के लिए, strong timber होने के लिए, what is target here? No doubt na? Radial sawing, strong timber, radial sawing. शिंदे अंकुल क्या हो गया? So we can write the order. First is radial. Then next strong is, what is next strong? What is next strong? Quarter, tangential, ordinary. Yes, because medullary rays are not cut. 100% true. No, next strong is quarter. Next strong is ordinary. Tangential में medullary rays कट हो जाएगा ना. Tangential में medullary rays कट हो जाएगा ना. That should be least. अरे दीपा गारू, this is wood. Okay, circles are like this. Circles are like this. All these are interconnected by medullary rays. The radial fibers, medullary rays. Then we are cutting, tangential cutting. Medullary rays cut हो जाएगा ना. When medullary rays are cutting, strength कम हो जाएगा ना. When you cut down the medullary rays, strength कम हो जाएगा ना. So radial greater than quarter, greater than ordinary, greater than tangential. So we go for radial sawing method. Radial sawing method. Chalo. Done, guys. Shall we move? Is that clear to everyone? Hello Manish Kumar, how are you? A timber beam of effective span L, timber beam of effective span L, cross section B into D, cross section B into D, laterally supported if D by B and L by B are. D by B and L by B का रेशियो होना चाहिए, मीन्स एक्चुअली रिलेशन विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू लेंथ एंड डेप्थ, विथ रिलेशन विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू लेंथ एंड डेप्थ होना चाहिए. सो टिम्बर बीम इज लेटरली सपोर्टेड. लेटरली सपोर्टेड क्या करने के लिए? टू प्रिवेंट लेटरल बकलिंग. To prevent lateral buckling, timber beam is laterally supported. Understand? To prevent lateral buckling, timber beam is laterally supported. Laterally supported. Now, minimum width is minimum width. It must be greater than or equal to L by 50 and greater than or equal to D by 3. Lowest possible width is length by 50 times, depth by 3 times, D by 3. So if you take L by B, what is L by B now? L by B is equal to 50. D by B is equal to 3 only na? L by B is equal to 50, D by B is equal to 3 only na? So that is only less than 3, less than 50, less than 3, less than 50. And sometimes they will ask in terms of mm. Millimeter में पूछेगा कोई बार. They are going to ask sometimes in millimeter. In such a case, mm at least 50 mm. 50 mm at least 50 mm. Value आ गया तो less than 50. Yes, every day 9:30 to 10:30, no doubt. Sinha, Saint Sinha, every day 9:30 to 10:30 रहेगा क्लास. हाँ, ऐड करो. टेलीग्राम चैनल में भी ऐड करेगा, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में भी ऐड करेगा. सो यू गेट द लिंक्स रेगुलरली. ये नंबर को व्हाट्सएप करो बेटा. सिन्हा गारू, ये नंबर को व्हाट्सएप करो. आपको लिंक हर एक दिन क्लास लिंक मिल जाएगा आपको. दिस वन अभी शिंदे. Somebody needs this slide. Chalo, done. We'll move on. A timber is a column made up of two individual members with longitudinal axis parallel. Longitudinal axis parallel. These are two individual members. These are two individual members with longitudinal axis parallel, separated at ends and middle points of their length by blocking and joined at ends by timber connectors. Connectors are provided. Connectors are provided like this. So what we call it? Timber column made of two individual members with longitudinal axis parallel, separated at ends and middle points their length by blocking and joints at the ends by timber. Please understand, if you are going to answer with respect to strength of material, it is a steel plate sandwiched between wooden members. Nowhere it is written steel. Is it written somewhere steel? Mr. Nature Lover. Mr. Nature Lover, please tell me. Steel plate बोलना पड़ेगा strength of material perspective में देखने के लिए. Strength of material perspective में देखने के लिए. Steel plate sandwiched between wooden members. Alternate layers are held together by bolts. Alternate layers are held together by bolts. That is flitched column. Flitched. So flitched में क्या आएगा? Steel plate. Steel plate sandwiched between wooden members. Steel plate sandwiched between wooden members. What is a spaced column? This is used in trusses with nailed connections. Trusses with nailed connections में use करेगा spaced column. Kalyan, any nail information is given? Yes, Deepa, correct. Any nailed information is given there? And what is composite? Composite is a structural steel and concrete combination. Structural steel and concrete combination. So what is our answer finally? Built up column. The given one is build up column. ऊपर whatever written a statement पूरा लिख दिया ना, that is completely related to built up column. Hello Naveen, good evening, how are you? Guys, got it? अरे शिंदे अंकुल, क्लास खत्म होने के बाद मैसेज करो, आपको पीडीएफ मिल जाएगा, और एल्स यू कैन डाउनलोड द पीडीएफ ना. So build up column, you are putting two wooden planks like this, connected by bolts or joints. That is build up column. Structural steel and concrete combination is composite column. Spaced column, trusses with nailed condition, spaced blocks will be present. Flitched column, steel plate sandwiched between wooden member. Chalo. Wow, assertion reason. Trees which have broad leaves and shed in autumn are classified as a hardwood. Yes, broad leaves, what we have written? Broad leaves. Broad leaves, what we have written? Hardwood only na. Hardwood only na. Broad leaves. Trees which having needle leaves. Evergreen, softwood. Evergreen, softwood. True. This is true, no doubt. Yes, 100% true. The term hardwood and softwood in relation to a species of trees do not necessarily indicate, understand, do not necessarily indicate relative hardness or density. Yes, do not, they does not represent, you are saying that hardwood is hard, softwood is soft. No, not like that. We can't conclude that. Understand, guys? People will feel we said hardwood, it is hard. Himanshu, aisa nahi. Hardwood is hard, softwood is soft, aisa nahi. You see Christmas tree. Christmas tree is conifer, softwood, but it is very strong. It is very strong, hard, durable. Understand? So it is not at all, that words are not at all related. Depending upon the sap content internally inside the plant, they have given. प्लांट का अंदर सैप कंटेंट मिलेगा ना, ये सैप बिहेवियर नेचर से it डिफरेंशिएट क्लासिफाई कर दिया हार्डवुड सॉफ्टवुड. समझ आ रहे बेटा? बट नॉट रिलेटेड. आंसर इज बी. Two different reasons, two different statements, both are not at all related. Wow, again match the following. Innermost part or core of the stem of a tree. If you take, this is the total ring. The first ring, what is the first internal part, lowest part, what we call? Yesterday written very clearly, medulla or pith. Yesterday written very clearly. So it is 5. Then cut down. Option 4, sorry, option A, option C. Then vascular tissue which encloses the pith. Vascular tissue which encloses the pith. क्या है vascular tissue? Medullary race only ना? Radial fibers which encloses the pith. यहां से originate करेगा, ऐसा करेगा ना? Vascular tissue which encloses the pith, because it is enclosed here. Pith में enclose कर दिया 1. So remaining, then 5 1 2 3, 5 1 4 3. Third one, cellular tissue and woody fiber arranged in distinct concentric rings, concentric circles. Yes, that is only na. Yesterday counting age of the plant, number of rings equal to number of years. One ring is equal to 1 year. Yesterday we told 2. So this is cut down. The thin layer below the bark not converted to sapwood as yet. As of now, it is not converted to sapwood. The thin layer below the bark, cambium layer. That is cambium layer. 5 1 2 3. 5 1 2 3. देखो, this is the picture we are giving here. Pith. Then what is there immediately? These are all the vascular tissue. We call it as. Then thin layer, cambium layer, inner bark, outer bark. Inner bark या outer bark का बीच में कौन है? Cambium layer. Then this concentric rings, annular rings. Consider the following methods of preservation of timber. Correct sequence in decreasing order of effectiveness of these methods. Methods of preservation. Preservation methods का decreasing order ने बोलना पड़ेगा. Decreasing order means effectiveness, efficiency से decreasing order. Efficiency से decreasing order. बताओ nature lover, ध्यान से बोलो. Saint Sinha, I gave you the mobile number na Sinha garu. Please WhatsApp me, I will guide you. You don't worry, you can crack the exam. Okay? Sinha garu. (312) pressure impregnation. The preservative is taken, because this is the wood. Preservative is taken, pressurized flow से अंदर निकाल दिया preservative, so that more effective na. Injecting under pressure, yes, injecting under pressure, pressure impregnation, more effectiveness. Then dipping, take the wood and dip into preservative, put it like that for 4 hours, for 6 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours, put into the preservative. Then brush ले लो, paint करो, spray करो. That is only on surface. Will the preservative go inside the wood? If you are brushing or spraying, this is the wood material, you are just brushing on the surface. Preservative material is not gone inside. If preservative is gone inside, its efficiency to resist the fungi, its efficiency to resist the insects, ये पूरा का पूरा मिल जाएगा. But it is not gone inside. That is why brushing or spraying is the last activity. Brushing or spraying is the last activity. Yes, dipping is more effective, no doubt. Dipping is more effective, nature lover. 312. Kalyan. If you put for long time na, you take a bucket of preservative, put the wood into it. Slowly into the voids, into the pores. Timber का छोटा छोटा micro pores हो जाएगा ना. It will go, preservative will go inside. That is why. An application of external stress on timbers, it behaves like external stress on timber. Tell me guys, an application of external stress on timber. Sai Teja, अरे guns and lotus, गन या लोटस आपका साथ है, अच्छे से बताओ बेटा. An application of external stress of timber behaves like elastic material. It behaves like an elastic material, no doubt about it. It behaves like an elastic material. External stress on timber, it behaves like an elastic material. Because the timber is a heterogeneous material. Timber is a heterogeneous material. Its strength is not as same as throughout the length. Timber पूरा का पूरा length में strength same नहीं हो जाएगा. Across the length, along the length, strength कम differ हो जाएगा. Because it is a heterogeneous material. That is why it's an elastic material. Wood is impregnated with creosote oil in order to. So yesterday somebody asked Bethel's method. Shinde garu, malum tha Bethel's method. Bethel's method is creosoting. Both are same. Bethel's method and creosoting both are same. So just to prevent fungal attack, resistance against the fungi, to provide resistance against the fungi, it is preserved with creosote oil. ये कहां से आएगा? creosote oil कहां से आएगा? Protect against fungi. This is the answer. Creosote oil. Source. What is the source? Distillation of tar. तार डिस्टिलेशन करने के बाद क्रियोसोट ऑयल आएगा. Wood is impregnated with creosote oil. Bethel's method, creosoting. Preservative is creosote oil. Then distillation of tar से मिलेगा. चलो. Consider the following statements. Hardest timber is obtained from wood grain in. Hardest timber is obtained from the wood grain in. मॉडरेटली ड्राई क्लाइमेटिक रीजन, हिमालयन स्लोप, ओपन एरियाज. बताओ. Moderately dry climatic regions, moderately dry climatic region and open areas. These two. 1 and 3. Nothing is there. You can just identify the regions of hardest timber. Natural regions of hardest timber, open area, dry climatic regions. Those are the natural regions. Dry rot in timber is due to. Yesterday we discussed a lot regarding it. Dry rot in timber is due to. संगमित्रा चपंडी. अरे प्लीज एक बार देख के बताओ आंसर. Lack of ventilation, lack of ventilation, decomposition of sap. हाँ, very good. अभी शिंदे, nice. Sap decomposition, lack of ventilation. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Option C. Which one of the following is correct statement regarding strength of timber? स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ टिम्बर का बारे में करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट क्या है? स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ टिम्बर का बारे में करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. मैक्सिमम डायरेक्शन पैरेलल टू ग्रेन, परपेंडिकुलर टू ग्रेन, 45 डिग्रीज टू ग्रेन, ऑल डायरेक्शन. So strength of timber maximum parallel to the grain, maximum parallel to the grain, minimum perpendicular to the grain. Please understand, perpendicular to the grain होगा तो minimum चलेगा. Maximum in a direction parallel to the grain, minimum in a direction perpendicular to the grain. AB. Timber का strength is maximum in parallel to the grain. Grain direction का parallel ने पूछने के बाद maximum highest strength मिलेगा. इनका opposite perpendicular direction right angles to the grain होगा तो minimum चलेगा. क्या बोल रहे नेचर लवर? किल सीजनिंग ऑफ टिम्बर रिजल्ट्स इन. सलीम भैया बताओ आंसर. किल सीजनिंग ऑफ टिम्बर रिजल्ट्स इन reduced density, reduced life, dimensional stability. Reduced density, reduced life, dimensional stability. all three मिलेगा. हाँ सलीम गारू ऑल 3 मिलेगा. रिड्यूस्ड डेंसिटी एंड डायमेंशनल स्टेबिलिटी मिलेगा. नॉट लाइफ, बिकॉज ड्यूरेबिलिटी इंक्रीज हो जाएगा ना. ड्यूरेबिलिटी इंक्रीज हो जाएगा बिकॉज ऑफ सीजनिंग. सीजनिंग क्या करने के लिए कर रहे हैं हम? सीजनिंग क्या करने के लिए कर रहे हैं? ड्यूरेबिलिटी के लिए कर रहे हैं. सो 1 and 3 ऑप्शन डी. अरे 3 मार्क क्वेश्चन है ना मेंस में, एसएससी जेईई मेंस 3 marks questions are there na. This kind of models, statements are given, assertion reason is given. If they want to give questions from BMC, this such kind of models only will come. In a tree, a cambium layer is situated in between. Where is cambium? अरे इतना अच्छा डायग्राम दिया हम ऑलरेडी. कैम्बियम कहाँ है? कैम्बियम इज इन बिटवीन. अरे कैम्बियम बताओ. कैम्बियम इज इन बिटवीन इनर बार्क एंड सैपवुड. इनर बार्क एंड सैपवुड. अरे हरुण बेटा व्हाट हैपेंड? इनर बार्क एंड सैपवुड ना. देखो डायग्राम देखो. This is inner bark, this is inner bark, and this is sapwood. ये दोनों का बीच में चल रहा है. This is cambium. This is cambium. The timber preservative creosote belongs to the group of. Just now we discussed in a tar oil. So please write down or take a screenshot. Tar oil is creosote. Organic solvent type gamma benzene hexachloride BHC. BHC is more famous, na? Organic solvent type. BHC gamma benzene hexachloride, which also called linden. Water soluble type is boric acid or borax. So they can give match the following from this, guys. They will ask you match the following from this kind of things. Tar oil type creosote, organic is BHC, water soluble is boric acid, borax. नंबर चाहिए? ले लो प्रशांत जी. शिंदे गारू completed writing. We'll move on. Done. Finished, guys. Those who are in YT. As a natural material, timber is which one of the following? Very important question. ध्यान से आंसर करो. Most important. अरे मेरा नाम भी नहीं मालूम था बेटा, सिन्हा. सो केपी सर बोलेगा हमको. People call me as KP sir beta. As a natural material, timber is which one of the following? So if you want to select only one, timber is anisotropic material. Yes or no? Timber is anisotropic if you want to select only one. If it is MSQ, if you have a possibility to select two, it is also heterogeneous. Anisotropic. B and D. Anisotropic because the strength is not same. Parallel and perpendicular to the wood. Strength is not same, it is varying. Anisotropic. Material में different components लगेगा throughout the cross section area, throughout the length. Material components are different. So that is heterogeneous. B and D. Shear strength of timber is depending on which of the following? So strength of timber is depending upon medullary rays. Medullary rays are called radial fibers. And these fibers consisting of lignin. So not just medullary rays. Medullary rays का fibers मिलेगा ना? Fibers with lignin, not just medullary rays. Lignin with fibers. Please understand. Medullary rays is a normal strength. If simple strength दिया तो strength. What they are asking? Shear strength. Shear strength is fibers which support tissues. Plant tissue को support करने वाला fibers which is made of lignin. स्ट्रेंथ पूछने के बाद मेडुलरी रेस दे दो, shear strength पूछने के बाद lignin with fibers दे दो. Understand भैया सलीम? Got it guys? No, heartwood sapwood नहीं था, no doubt. Heartwood sapwood नहीं था, no doubt about it. So okay guys, we will continue tomorrow we are going to start concrete, the most important. We have finished timber, cement, then we are moving towards concrete. कल बात करेगा सलीम गारू, सलीम भैया कल बात करेगा, don't worry. So those who want to join our Telegram channel, KP Sir Students, KP Sir Students is our Telegram channel, and this is my mobile number 8985931112. Shinde uncle, people are saying 11 o'clock is very late. 11 के बाद खाना खा के सोने के बाद 11 बजे हो 12 बजे हो जाएगा, नींद नहीं आ रहे. So make it 10:30, 9:30 to 10:30. Then after that we go for sleep, good sleep after eating. That is why. So please understand, Shinde garu, please cooperate. Okay guys, good night all of you.